But it's Bunny. Happy Halloween! Oh my goodness! Everybody left me. My husband is actually, I think he's taking a nap. He's all worn out. My mom's watching TV. Letty took Crow, his Halloween costume to a party, and my daughter's at a party. So it's just me. Oh my goodness. Happy Halloween, everyone. We don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters in our neighborhood. We got some early birds between like 6 and 6:30, and then we haven't had anyone since. So I thought I would do another Halloween video. Check it out. I am wrapping up Halloween 2023. Check it out. I've got my Bath and Body Works castle going here. We're going to talk about this. Oh my gosh. Also, thank you so much to everyone who's been checking out our new t-shirts on Bonleo. I'm so excited. This has been a dream of mine for a long time to do like a t-shirt company, and Lenny is like the perfect collaborator because he's so creative. So I totally forgot about this earlier. I was going to do a discount code. So if you saw my earlier video, anyone who uses the code Halloween at Bonleo until tomorrow night at midnight, you get 25% off. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. Check it out. Letty and I designed a Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day 2023 t-shirt. We did it a little artsy. We've got the matchstick on the queen and then the candle in the girl. We thought that was kind of fun. So we've got that. Lenny's actually really good at the chef collection. So we also did Que Sera Sera, which apparently is a wine. He helped with, I didn't know that. And then Whatever Will Be, you know, the song, but it's like a kind of a restaurant take on that. So that was kind of fun. And then we actually designed a Bonleo logo t-shirt. So I thought that was fun. So we got a couple more things up. There's more coming. It just didn't get there as fast as we thought it would because we've been so busy. I wanted to do Halloween teas. I do have a Christmas tea up. I want to get a couple more Christmas things. I want to get a Thanksgiving tea. Where's my iced tea? I don't have my iced tea. I have the sword from earlier. I don't know where my iced tea went. So check out our new site, Bonleo, and leave a comment below if there's a specific t-shirt you'd like to see. Let us know. All of these are well thought out and designed by Letty and I. So Halloween, oh my gosh. So I was actually going through my Instagram account and I was like, you know what? It is so bizarre that Halloween starts in like July 4th. I mean, I've got Christmas up. And it is odd. It was so actually, we were out driving tonight when I took my daughter out, and all these people have bonfires, and it looks so festive. I'm like, you know what? There's something to be said for living in the moment. And the moment is Halloween right now. So I'm going to put a couple of screenshots up, and this feels so far away. I cannot believe that I'm going to put this up. We'll start with the clock. Oh my God, that's actually in my living room right now. I loved the Halloween clock this year. I thought it was gorgeous. I might actually keep that up for Christmas. I do want to get the Christmas clock at Bath and Body Works, so that's next on my list. The carriage, remember the carriage? That was like the first thing I bought back in July. I've had it up for months. I do love the carriage. That's a nice Bath and Body Works collectible. It was a little hokey with the silver, but I still liked it. Oh my gosh, you guys, remember the snake holder? I never got the snake holder, you guys. What was up with that? Bath and Body Works was promoting that out, and then we never saw it. Like only like 8 people in the country got the snake holder, including my girlfriend. I'm like, what the heck is going on with the snake holder? A lot of people wanted that. That was the one thing a lot of people wanted. I looked at the site. The only thing left is that spider web gold thing. I think it's like $7 if you want it. $8, I don't know. The chalice. I did love the chalice this year. That was a good one. That was like one of the first things I bought. That was on sale. I think the nicest thing that I really loved this year was the Vampire Blood collection. I did stock up. I know Lenny's like, I would use that. I love my Vampire Blood. We're so opposite in some way. I love the Vampire Blood so much. Look at how beautiful that looks. I love it. I don't know. There's just something really refreshing about Vampire Blood. And the fact that we got it in a full size, I use this year round. It's the Red Berries, Night Blooming Jasmine, Petrifying Plum. This is a total winner for me. So, yay for Bath & Body Works for doing that. I would like next year to have like a chocolate or candy scent. They either need to bring back Enchanted Candy Potion, which I showed off this morning. I still have one candle, totally unburned. My sugar. Enchanted Candy Potion can come back. I was not a fan of Midnight Spell. This was just a little bit too, I don't know what note in there. Maybe the Crystal Amber, the Mystic Air. It just didn't do anything for me. This was not my favorite. I did enjoy the Everlasting Magic. The Everlasting Magic was good. And of course, these are fun. The Shimmer Lotions. So I'm pretty much stocked up on these. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I'm just going to put that on tonight. Gonna wear that for Halloween. So I was super happy with the body care. It was great that we got some of the Diamond Shimmer Mist because I collect these. So overall, I think Halloween was good this year. I was super happy. I did buy the castle. Yes, this is all lit up. I've got this in my living room right now. The odd thing is, I'll take this down tomorrow. Like tomorrow, Halloween's over. This is going downstairs. So what's interesting about Halloween, as opposed to like Christmas, I usually keep up for a while. Halloween, when Halloween's over, look how pretty it looks from that angle. When Halloween's over, I'm pretty much like, put the tree up. Like, it's like, why the heck not? So tomorrow I may just put my Christmas tree up. I know. But the candle I have got burning in here tonight is the Moonlit Grave. I love this one. I love the jar. The pumpkin carving jar was gorgeous. It was funny because I remember seeing pumpkin carving on the site. Like initially, I'm like, I don't know if I like that. It literally was one of my favorite candles. I wish they had done this for Christmas. You see the like the black lacquer on here? These candles are outstanding. I'm not sure what's going on, why we couldn't have that for Christmas, but that would have been nice. I'm actually super happy I did buy the Halloween house, even though it was ridiculously pricey. I'm totally on board with collecting these now. I got last year, I got this year, and I think I'm just going to keep getting these. I'm just like, you know what? I'm treating myself for Halloween. So next year, you know, it's funny. Bath & Body Works probably already has the Halloween lineup planned for next year because it's going to start coming like next July. I did like the floor set. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. The floor set was gorgeous. The problem was, I really think the problem was it was July. And I know, like, if you're a Bath & Body Works fanatic like me, or you're really into Halloween early, you're like, woohoo, Halloween. But I'm not sure the average consumer loves seeing a Halloween display on July 4th. So I think the retailers do need to kind of adjust because you can't buy any Halloween stuff now. It's like Halloween. And this week, the majority of it was just gone and Christmas is rolled in. So I do think that's a little bit of a problem that we're not, on season. And it's like, is it going to keep backing up? Like, are we going to have Halloween in May? I don't know. So it's just something to think about. But overall, I thought it was a good year. I'm excited for next year. I would like to see a candy corn body care. I would like to see a chocolate, like a Halloween chocolate body care. What else would I like to see for Halloween? more pumpkin. Honestly, like pumpkin picking or some sort of pumpkin bakery candle is really what I want for Halloween. So that would be wonderful. So anyway, I'm going to put this back in the living room with the candle to enjoy this evening. We got a couple more hours of Halloween to go. And I will see you guys later. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun today. Don't forget to check out Bonleo, 25% discount with the code Halloween. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.